very much valuable.
Mainly, I think the stories you say, the examples you gave, we are able to remember. Like when you gave example about cancer, the crab, and you said crab stands for Mars. Because actually I was going through your notes yesterday and yesterday because I had to form the questions and all. So I just read a little bit. I read about 1/3 or so about your notes, and all those, you have to stick to your mind when you tell all these mythological stories also, and the various examples. And you said about cutting the grass and things like that. All that is helps us to remember.
Thank you.
Madam, one thing other than excellent is that even the you don't even neglect the minutest details like fire sign, water sign, and all that. And you always take that into account while making a prediction, and you have ensured that in the earliest of classes, so which I appreciate.
Thank
because
you.
people tend to ignore the minutest details.
Thank
You
you.
know, we are a
You don't neglect them.
Thank you.
we are a group who has come from the various backgrounds and various places, and then traditional teaching of astrology is different. So if we proceed in that, it becomes usually a very kind of monotonous and very difficult for some of us to pick it up also. But when you are weaving it in the form of stories and telling it like that, the essence of it is, it goes much better. And over and above that, with our own ideas and perceptions, we have to build up over it. So the work now, onus lies on us to how to pick up from all that you have told and then come to a logical conclusion. Hope we'll all be able to do it.
I wish you all the best in that journey. I wish all of you the best in that journey. Yes, Ramesh?
Definitely, this has been a lot helpful, and I understand astrology much better. A lot of the gray areas which I was not even sure of how things will work out and how things act and behave. Definitely an eye-opener session. Initially, it looked like sometimes when you get those newspaper horoscopes and you read for yourself, you remember for yourself, then you read for others, and you forget yours. So it is actually in that phase now, but I think I really like the idea that you actually gave a book also, because while we go through the classes, the book actually helped us to go a little more advanced or backward, and so that kind of helped us go back and forth. And thank you so much for this, madam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Yes, Ekta?
For me also, I can connect with you actually.
Thank you.
So that's why I can connect more with astrology, and it's your method of teaching is really different, and I literally enjoy. So initially I find it very easy because I was very interested in, I mugged up the science and all, but now I I have to study seriously now.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy that you've decided to take it seriously, in the sense that, like any other science, I have this question to ask people that
it is a science.
Yes, it is a science. It's an evolving science, okay? In the sense that the Desh Kal Patra, the person keeps changing, the time keeps changing. So we must take into account the current factors. And two, I'm not saying that don't use, because what people would be viewing will be YouTube videos. And I've got most of my students, most of my people who come to me for reading from YouTube. But wherever from you're doing, do a structured study. That will help you more than just going through those videos. They are supplements. They are supplements. They are not they are not the one that will teach you fully. Don't rely on that. So yes, thank you so much, all of you, for taking the class. Yes, Sanjay ji and Rajeshwari ji.
I am all-time big fan of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're a man of few words, but it's,
yes.
And especially, I think it's related a lot to astronomy also. The other day that
Rohit sir, yes, Rohit bhai came, yes.
You're able to understand it better, actually.
Right. Thank you so much. I'll convey that to him also.
Please.
Yeah. Yes, Rajeshwari.
Ma'am, I would also like to thank you.
Thank you, Sachi.
I used to watch your videos even before I joined the classes, so I really liked the way you taught, and the way you make all the linkages and also explaining the meaning behind certain rituals. And I always believe those astrologers who do not superficially give any remedies and, explain the meaning behind all these things. So I really like those things about you. And I mean, the authenticity with astrology really comes out very brightly from you.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Rajeshwari ji.
Like
Yes.
when you attend a basic course, you just think that you're going to just tell something about the planets and the houses and all that. But
Right.
what has happened here is when you're telling about the signs, houses, and planets, I think you taught us how to connect the dots, like to how to comprehensively apply all these three. And so now our mind is very, very active. Whenever we see a particular planet in a particular house, we're looking at so many angles and say, oh, that is why this person is behaving like this. That is why this person is in this profession. That application is now, very, very strong because of the way you taught us, which is very nice. In a basic course, someone teaching us this is very, very, something very enriching.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all of you, for such nice appreciation. And I would also like to add that the teacher can do only as much if the students are not receptive. But because you were receptive, you're willing to change, listen with your open ears, and minds and hearts. That is why I could teach and impart so much to all of you. Okay, thank you very much for that.